Comment 1431 refers to an extremely common mistake where people don't read a question carefully, and so they don't realise two different types of information about fractions which are crucially different. So, for example, if I said half of the students, let's say there are 180 students, are blonde, and I said a third of the students are red jumpers, then that would mean 90 are blonde and 60 are red jumpers, and there might be overlap between those two. Alternatively, I might say half of the students are blondes, so that would still be 90. But then I might say a third of the blondes are red jumpers, in which case that would now be 30. And there's total overlap between these because those 30 are entirely within those 90. And the reason why this is crucial is not only because it can lead to different numbers, as I've shown here, is because they often lead to completely different operations. If you were sure that there was no overlap between these two groups, then the appropriate thing to do with these fractions would be to add them to get the total number of people that are blonde and red jumpers. But that only works if there's no overlap. If, however, you want to combine these fractions when this is part of that, then you multiply the fractions. So you do a half times a third, that's a sixth. If you apply that to the original total of 180, then you get the 30. So be very, very careful when you read a question to see whether, as I say in the comment, the two fractions refer to the original total or whether the second mentioned fraction refers to what the first mentioned fraction was about.